Today we're going to be taking a look at the new CAS2 cleaning station made by RoZar. It's a very simple, easy device to use. We'll drop a couple of the shaver heads in, and then possibly the most important part is to use some of the cleaning agent. So a quick pre-soak with some of the liquid, and what we'll do there now is we'll wait 5 minutes for this to set. Then we'll add some hot water, run the unit for approximately 3-4 minutes, and we'll see how the results come out. Okay, we've now waited 5 minutes for the solution to soak in, so we're now ready to add some tap water. One thing to mention, the feet have suckers to hold them in position to stop it vibrating off. We'll add some hot water now from the tap. Pop the lid on and turn the unit on. So we'll now let the unit run for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, and then we'll come back and have another look, see how everything's done. So we've been running for about 2 minutes now. We're just going to have a look to show you so you can see inside the tank, and it's working as should. Lots of hair follicles are being released. We'll give it another 2 minutes and then we'll be ready to rinse under a tap. Okay, we've now given roughly 5 minutes or 4 minutes, so we're going to take the lid off, turn the unit off at the back, and then I'll just try and show inside. If I can zoom in here a bit. We've now got plenty of shavings in the bottom, and it's literally a matter now of just taking the units out, running them under a cold tap, and then leaving them on some kitchen paper to dry out after. Okay, just showing the finished item. Obviously we've got two very clean shaver heads here, one of them being the cassette version, which are very hard to clean with brushes, so this is an ideal solution. Now all we need to do is empty that out, dry it out, and our cleaning station's ready for next time.